Okay, this is my entry. So, ito yung front cover. And then, I just use itong mga patina effect paste. And yung Lawn Fawn na fairy dusts. And as well as this one, yung metallic gilding polish. And then, I put on some sequins there. And then, ayan, ito yung kabuuan ng scrapbook. And this is actually i-slide mo lang dyan to lock it. There. And ito naman yung likod. Okay. So, I'll just open it up. This is the first page. Tapos, ang ginawa ko, naglagay ako ng ganito. Detachable, na hindi ko alam kung nakikita nyo pero ito. Acrylic sheet or acetate. Tapos, pwede ditong ilagay yung photo para floating siya. And then, naglagay ako ng velcro. Para anytime, pwedeng tanggalin kasi makikita pa yung design sa likod. And then, I left this page as blank para ma-appreciate naman nila yung continuity ng design. Pero pwede pa rin silang maglagay dyan ng photo. And then this one, I used vellum and I also put in this acetate sheet dito and then they can just paste their photo here. And here, nilagyan ko lang ng ganito para makita nyo paano ilulusot yung photo. But apart from that, meron pa siya sa likod ulit. This is another acetate sheet that they can use to paste their photo sa back. Yan. And then, this is the design. I used a foam sheet para naka-elevate siya. There. This is the next one. So, ito yung lulusutan din ng photo. And then, I also use foam sheets para may dimension din siya. In this, nag-extend ako ng paper. So, here, you can see. And this one, dyan ilalagay yung photo. This is another one. And then, you can see here, this is another one. Also use foam sheets there to make a 3D. Okay. Then I used another vellum here para kapag naglagay ka ng photo dito, ayan. So medyo may mystery. And then here I made a pocket and then it's another acetate para floating ulit yung design mo. And then yung photo pwedeng ilagay sa likod. There. So that's it. That's for me. Then you just have to put it back here. There you go. Thanks!